Is this correct? Am I making any calculation errors? Let me know if there are any mistakes. Is this fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then calculate it and tell me what do we get from here.
Now we put 6 zeros for the this thing and 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nah, I think this is fine. Nah, see, there are 5 zeros.
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3,
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
5. Yeah. So find it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 6, 1, 2, 0, 0. So this will be 1, 0, 6, 1, 2, 0, 8. Let's check what is 1 or 2.
I got the answer, ma'am.
So 1, 0, 6, 1, 2, 0, 8. Okay, fine. So the rest of them you all can do as homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now let's come to the question number 8. I think we have not done this question yet. So here, let's try to do the second one first. The first one is very simple. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So this looks like, see, this has a cube minus b cube, right? So this must be a something minus b something whole cube. Can you tell me what will be the coefficient of a? See, this can be written as 2a whole cube. This can be written as b whole cube minus. Now you have identified what is your x and y. This is going to be 2a minus b whole cube, right? So this is the first term and the b is the second term. So 3a square b. A is what? 2a.
2 is
So 2a whole square b. Don't just write 2a and then square is only on a. No, don't write it like that. Plus 3 into a b square, which is 2a b square. So this is what gives you 6ab square. And this is what gives you 12a square b. So this can now be written as 2a minus b whole cube. Are there any doubts in this type of question?
ma'am.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No doubt. Okay, then Avni, do the next one. Do this one. Third one. 27 minus 125. What is that? A cube, I think. I'm not able to see it here. Minus 135a plus, it's too bright. What is this? 225 a square. Yes, Avni. First, identify 27 is the cube of what? Even though, see, there is no cube term over here. Like over here, we had a
Yeah,
cube. But over here, there is no something cube. But
because there's no variable.
because this particular um, algebraic expression is going to look like some constant minus something a whole cube. Okay, this is going to look like that thing. So now you have to identify 27 is the cube of what?
3.
Very good. So this can be written as 3 cube minus 125 is the cube of what?
5.
Very good. 5. So 5a whole cube. So can we tell which one it is going to be? It's going to be 3 minus 5a whole cube. Yes, but let's write the rest of them. Minus 3a b square. So a hmm, first 3a square b, because here this is a square. Now this is over here 3 into 3 square into 5a plus 3 into the first term as it is, no square, but the second term will have a square. Getting it? The second term will have a square. So 5a will have a square. Sorry, made a mistake. Square should be outside the bracket. So in one term, the square is on top of the 3 and not on 5a. In the second term, the square is on top of 5a and not on 3. So this is something that we did over here also. That the square is on top of 2a and not on b. And here it is on top of b and not on 2a. And how do we know which term we have to write? Just look at the sign. I saw minus sign, so I wrote minus sign here. I saw a, so I said, well, obviously it won't be 5a square, right? Because a is not square over here. So I didn't write square on 5a, I wrote the square on 3. So you just have to look at the question in that way. So this becomes 3 minus 5a whole cubed. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Avni, now I want you to do the next one by yourself. I mean, all of you do it by yourself. But Avni, you will tell me how to do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, get started. Yes, Avni, tell me, get
Ma'am,
started.
I'm doing it. 1 minute.
No problem. You
Ma'am, I
can
sent the answer.
do it and dictate it at the same time, just like we do it in class.
Ma'am, I sent
You
it.
sent the answer, but I have not received it. There's nothing in the chat box for me at least.
Ma'am, 64a square will be 4a cube.
64a cube will be 4a whole cube. Okay, good, Abdul Jabbar. Then
Then 27b cube will be 3b cube.
3b whole cube. Abdul Jabbar, try the next part of this question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And those of you who are done with this one, please try the next part. Yes, yes.
144, 7.
3 into what?
On the next part, meaning 144 and all that.
Just a minute. Abdul Jabbar. Next one meaning. Oh, wait, Abdul Jabbar. The next one is the one which says 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square. plus 1 by 4p. That's the next one. Okay, Abdul Jabbar, did you get it?
Yes, just checking.
हाँ हाँ Avni, yes, what were you saying?
Ma'am, for 144, I don't know how to find it.
Bache, see, what did I say? Just write 3 into first term square into second term as it is. See, over here, square is on the A, na? So it will be the first term, the A wali term ka square. Okay.
Okay.
Over here, it will be the A wali term, and here it will be the B wali term. And the opposite thing in the next one, plus, because there is a plus over here, so we will write a plus. There is 3 into something. Second term ka
Okay.
square. Tell me what will it be?
Then it will be 144a square and b.
Avni, I said forget about this. See the first term. What is the first term? 4a?
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
tell me the page number?
Yes, Abdul Jabbar. Abdul Jabbar, I'll just write the question for you. Wait a minute. The question is 27p cube minus 1 over 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Okay, this is the question. Avni. So we were talking about 3 into the a wali term ka square. What is the a wali term?
So it will be 4a cube.
4
Square.
is square, and then the b wali term. What's that?
27b.
No, forget about 27. Just write 3b.
Okay.
3b. Because what do we have in the formula? If you have a, or let's say if you have 2x plus 3y whole cube, then what do you write in the formula? Think only about the formula. The formula says a cube, a is 2x, plus b cube, which is 3y whole cube, plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into a b square. So we are only thinking in terms of a and b. A and b. A and b. In some places it is a square, in some places it is a cube, in some places it is b square, some places it is b cube. That is all you have to do. Just take care of where you're putting the square and where you're putting the cube.
Okay.
But in these brackets, you will only put your a and your b, matlab your first term and your second term. Okay. So, what will come in these two brackets now?
4a.
4a, good.
3b.
3b. So now this thing becomes
4a cube and 4a are like terms. So
No. Now we just have to think about what formula is this making. This is making 4a minus 3b whole cube, right? Yes or no,
yes.
Abhi? So that is what we have to think from here, that see, we are not going from here to here. We have to factorize it. So we have to think, okay, this looks like this formula. Is this clear? Yes, Avni?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Then try to do the fifth one, okay, by yourself. Will you do it by yourself, or shall we do it in class, the fifth one? Let's do it in class, okay? I think some of you might find it a little bit challenging. So, the first term, who will tell me? The first term becomes
9p cube.
not 9p cube,
3p cube.
3p cube.
3p whole cube. Very good. Then minus
1 by 6.
Minus
1 by 6 whole cube. Then
Yeah. Minus, no. Yeah. Minus 3. No.
minus. Now forget about these two, okay? Whatever, matlab,
Okay.
don't think about how am I going to get this term. Just see 3 into what is A? 3p. What is B? 1 by 6. Okay. But here we have square. P is square. The P term is square. So we'll put a square on the P term. Then let's come to the next one. 3 into A again. So 3p into 1 by 6 again. But here the square is on the 1 by 6 because see, there is no square on P, right? So the square should be on the 1 by 6. Is this clear, or is it a little bit confusing for you guys?
Little confusing.
it
You
is the
found
same as last one, right?
the same as
Like
last one.
okay.
Abdul Jabbar, what happened? Which step are you finding confusing?
No, I got it. The
Got
canceling
it?
part.
See, because what happens is when you open this bracket, okay, this will become
27 P. No, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I was saying कि when what keeps happening? So I was saying कि when you, it's not like we have written something else. It's not like this is going to give us something else. This is going to give us this term only. And if you want, you can check it in a rough column somewhere. Okay, make a rough column somewhere, and you will see that 3 into 3p square. What is 3p square? 9p square. into 1 by 6. So 3 twos are, so this is 9 by 2 p square. See, we are getting the same term. Then comes your 3, the last term, this one. This one you will get from this, okay? 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 whole square. So 3 into 3p, I'm going to write it as it is, 3 into 3p. 1 by 6 whole square means 1 by 36. So 3 threes are 9, right? 9 fours are 36. This gives you p by 4, which is exactly what we are getting over here. So what I was saying is that don't think about, oh, how am I going to get 9 by 2 p square? Just write the formula. You have, from these two terms, you have identified what is A, you have identified what is B. Now put the value of A and B in your formula, which is 3a square b, 3ab square. So 3a square b and 3a b square. We have just put the value of the a and b which we have found out from the first two terms. We have put that value in the next two terms. That's all. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Then let's come to the ninth question. Any doubts still here? Verify. So they are asking you to verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now you see, can you identify this x cube plus y cube from somewhere? Do we get it in some formula? Do we get it in any formula, x cube plus y cube? Do we get it in any formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Which formula?
A A A Q. Yeah. A no. It's with square.
See, do you remember just now the formula that we were doing, the cube formula? A plus B whole cube, or let's say x plus y. Now, this is how you write the answer, okay? Say we know that x plus y whole cube. What is x plus y whole cube? What is x plus y whole cube?
Uh,
Yeah,
X cube minus Y cube.
but say what is a plus b whole cube? What happened? You forgot so soon. We were just now doing this. All of these questions were based on this formula only. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You're getting confused. Listen. Forget about this for now, okay? This does not exist. Forget about this. What is a plus b whole cube? Who remembers the formula? A plus b whole cube. Abdul
A
Jabbar.
cube plus B
A
cube
cube
plus
plus B cube.
3AB into A plus B.
Huh. Now all I am doing is I am replacing the a with x. And the b with y. That's all we are doing. So x cube plus y cube is what? This thing?
Yeah.
Sorry, x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube is this thing. So from here, can we take this on the one side and everything else we take on the left hand side of the equation? This we transpose it to the left hand side of the equation. So what do we get? We get x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y is equal to x cube plus y cube. Is this step clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
From here, can we take x plus y as common from the first term and the second term? Because the first term also has x plus y and the second term also has x plus y. Can we take it as common?
Yes, we can take it as common.
So if we take x plus y as common, what will we be left with in the first term? Yes. X
We'll
plus
be left with minus 3xy plus bracket x plus y.
no. See, okay. Imagine if in place of this x plus y, I have something called d. Okay, d. So imagine if this is like d cube, because x plus y, I am just changing it with d for the sake of convenience. That's all. Okay. Now imagine it's like this. So you have d cube minus 3xy into d is equal to something something. We are not bothered about whatever is there in the right hand side right now. We just are worried. We are just concerned with the d. Okay. If you take the d common from here, you take the d common. Imagine that you are taking one d out. You're taking this d out from here and this d out from here. What will you be left with in the first term? You took the d out. What will you be
We'll be
left with
left
in the...
with minus 3xy.
But say, what will happen to d cube? You just took d out from there, na?
Yes,
Imagine,
the
it will
cube will
be, how much? Avni, you were trying to say something. Say.
um
Yes, Avni.
so the cube and minus 3xy
No,
will
no.
only be.
No. See, you're getting confused again. I'm saying that we are taking d as common. What does that mean? See, if you have something like this, you have ax square minus ay square. You take a as common. That means, imagine that ax square and ay square are just lying over there. You take a as common from both of them. That means just take it out from both of those terms. You have taken it out. So you have taken it out, a comes here. You are left with something, right? These two
Yeah,
terms are left with something. What do they become now after taking a outside?
they'll
Hmm?
become x minus y the whole square.
No, x square minus y square. Nothing will
Yes.
change except that you have just taken a outside.
Okay.
X square will remain x square. Y square will remain y square. You have just taken away a.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Is this clear?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one. So let's say similarly you have 3a x square minus 2ax. Now from here you are taking a outside. You are taking just imagine you are taking a outside. So this a you are taking outside. Then you are taking them as common. What are you left with inside the bracket? This entire thing. This is
We
what
take the
goes.
x as common.
No, I am saying you take the a as common. For now, I'm asking you to take the a as common. Did you just see what happened, Avni?
Yes, ma'am.
We have, just look at it very carefully again. You have A and A. I said take the A as common. You
Okay.
took the A from the first term. You took the A from the second term. Okay, A has come as common. And now inside the bracket, you will have this thing, whatever is left after removing the A.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
similarly, if you have a square x minus a y square, again, what are we taking as common? A.
A
So if you're taking a as common, then one a will come over here. How many a's does this have? This term.
2.
This term has two a's. Very good. This term is a into x, right? And this
Yes.
term is a into y square. So basically, we are taking one a as common. So
Okay.
when you take one a as common, you are taking a as common. So what are you left with inside the bracket?
Ax minus y square.
Very good. You are left with ax minus y square. Okay. Is
Okay.
this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now from here, you tell me. You have d cube minus 3xyd. When you
Um.
take d as common, what do you have left?
D square minus 3xy.
Very good. Now just imagine in place of d, you have x plus y, the bracket x plus y. Okay. Now tell me what will this become? Or
Instead
let
of
me
D, we are putting, so it will be,
okay, fine. Let me give you back that thing. Now tell.
so it will be uh, x plus y whole cube
We are
minus
taking
3x.
x plus y as common. So no. X plus y we have taken as common. Okay.
Okay.
There are three x plus y's over here. One of them we took out. How many are left?
2.
So
So
it will
cube.
become square
Yeah, square. Yeah, square.
minus then.
Minus 3xy.
Very good. Is this clear to each and every student? Yes or no? We have taken x plus y as common. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So now just focus on what is there inside the bracket. So x plus y I'm going to write as it is, no change. We are going to just open the bracket, okay? This bracket we are going to open. Now tell me what will the bracket become? X plus y whole square means formula for x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square.
X square plus y square.
That's it.
X.
You people have
And
not done your homework. This clearly shows you have not done your homework. I'm really worried for what you guys will do in your exams. But say maths is something if you don't practice, you will not understand. It's not like your science, it's not like your English or any other subject that you just read it once and you'll get it. Without practice, you cannot excel in math. Even teachers need practice, you know. Yes, x square plus y square. Then what is x plus y whole square?
x plus y whole square is 2ab 2, yeah.
Plus 2xy. Okay. Now this minus 3xy is left over. So I'm going to just write it as it is. No changes. Minus 3xy. Okay. This is equal to x cube plus y cube. This is something you're not going to write in your final answer. Okay. Then Now from here, this thing as it is. Now can you tell me one thing? X square plus y square as it is. What is 2xy minus 3xy? What is 2 minus 3? What is 2 minus 3? A very basic
Minus
question.
1. So minus 1.
Minus 1. So 2xy minus 3xy will be minus 1xy, which is minus xy. Avni, is it clear till here, dear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Is equal to x cube plus y cube. That is actually what we had to find out. Show that x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into into x square minus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square, right? So we can just rewrite it. I'm just taking this to, I'm just flipping the equation, okay? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Kindly note it down if you haven't already. Why is this not working? Noted. Noted. Done or not? Done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Now you people will tell me how to do the second part of this question, which says verify. This is question number 9, part 2. X cube. By the way, these are identities that you have to remember, okay? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. And then x, now just replace this with a minus. This becomes x minus y and then x square plus xy plus y square. So this minus sign gets replaced with this minus sign and this minus. These are identities that you have to remember. And this is not biology. You cannot by heart things. You cannot mug up things in math. You have to practice them. So verify x cube minus y cube is equal to this whole thing. Okay. So now just think about it, that the first one, this one, how did we do it? We took x plus y whole cube wala formula to find this identity. Which identity do you think we should use in the next one? X to find x cube minus y cube. Do we have any such identity in which x cube minus y cube occurs?
Um,
Yes.
ma'am, the same as the last. 1.
We need to use x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube. See, what we need is right here. What we need, this one, is right over here. That is why we will use this identity. Minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay. So write it like this. We know that this thing. Then from here, whatever you need on one side, this pink thing, keep it on one side. Everything else, take it to the other side. So it will become x minus y whole cube. Now, since this is minus 3xy, matlab this term is being minused, subtracted, it will become plus 3xy over here. X minus y as it is. Okay, so this term we are taking to the other side. The term will remain as it is, only the minus 3xy will become the plus 3xy is equal to x cube minus y cube. Till here, is it clear, dears? Shall we move
Yes, ma'am,
forward?
clear.
So here now, again, just like the previous question, what should we take common from the left-hand side? Is there something that looks like we can take it
X and
common?
Y.
X and y? X minus y.
Yes.
So when you take x minus y as common, what do you get? Preshita?
Ma'am,
Yes.
X minus Y cube plus
But
3xy.
cube is already there, na? We have already
I mean
taken
square, ma'am,
out
square.
square plus 3xy. Good. Is equal to same thing.
Yes.
Now, just the bracket we have to keep solving. X minus y whole square. Expand x minus y whole square.
Ma'am, can't we take x minus y and x minus y cube as common?
X minus y cube, like this one you're saying.
No, like the second equation, the third line which you made now, like you
This one?
solved it. Yeah,
Okay.
can't we take it as like common both of them?
But which one are you talking about? You're saying, can't we take what as common?
X minus y bracket x minus y square.
Are you talking about this?
Yes.
But we have taken x minus y as common. So x minus y has come out from both of these terms. And this is the bracket. Meaning we have taken x minus y as common from the first term, which was this one, and the second term, which was this one. So these two terms have been, x minus y has been removed from both of them. That is why x minus y went off from here, and one of went off from here also, because it was a 3, it became a 2. Was I able to clear your doubt, or was your doubt something else?
No, ma'am, you were able to clear my doubt.
Chalo, okay, fine. Now let's open this bracket. This one, x minus y whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square?
A minus b whole square, a square minus b square plus
No. A square plus b square. Remember, again, I already told you this. Again, I'm telling you. A square minus b square. This will only and only come in just one identity, which is a plus b, a minus b. No other identity will have a square minus b square. Look at this. Here also, a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Because the moment you say a square minus b square over here, if by mistake you put it as x square plus xy minus y square, let's say you forgot the formula and you put minus y square, then what will happen? Immediately you can apply x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So then entire thing will become gadbad. Everything will become messed up. So wherever there is an x square, y square will be in negative only and only in just one case, which is that identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Only in this identity, a square minus b square will be there. Everywhere else, a square plus b square, x square plus y square. Okay. Note this down and just remember it. Okay. Is this clear, Avni? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Now tell me the expansion of x minus y whole square.
X minus y whole square is x plus y. No, x square plus y square plus 2xy.
Minus 2xy because there is a minus sign here.
Okay.
If this was a
And
plus, if this sign was a plus, this sign would have been a plus. But since it's a minus,
then minus x plus y.
that's it. No, this is the expansion of x minus y whole square. Yes or no? X minus y whole square is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy.
Yes.
Now we are left with 3xy, this term as it is. Not making any changes in this term right now. Okay. Now just solve
X cube
these two
minus y
terms.
cube minus 3xy equals x minus y into x square plus y square. Oh, no. We can subtract the 2xy and the 3xy.
That's what you have to do.
So
X square plus y
x
square
square plus y square plus xy.
plus xy. So these two terms, you are going to solve them. Okay. So 3xy minus 2xy will give you 1xy, which is xy itself, is equal to x cube minus y. So this is what you had to prove. Look here. This is what you had to prove. So we are done. Kindly try to memorize these two identities. And this will be easier if you try to do more and more practice. So now, question number 10, factorize. It says the first one you guys do on your own. The second one I will help you. 64m cube minus 343 n cube. So remember a cube minus b cube, right? X cube minus y cube. So this gives us x cube minus y cube is this thing. X cube minus y cube, x minus y. And then in the second bracket, everything is positive. है ना? So x, now we know that x cube minus y cube is equal to, if you want, you can take a look at this identity as well. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. So now here your x is 64m. No, it's not 64m. Your x cube is 64m cube. So you have to first find out what is your x and what is your y. So 64m cube can be written as what cube? I think
8m
4.
cube whole cube.
4m whole cube. 4m whole cube. Okay, because 4 4s are
Yeah.
16, 4s are 64. Minus 343 can be written as 7
7
cube.
n whole cube.
7n whole cube. Okay, so this becomes your 4m minus 7n whole cube. So your x is 4m, your y is 7n.
Minus
So just
7
put,
n.
no, not minus 7n, just 7n.
Okay.
So just put that, the values of x and y. So x is 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube is equal to 4m minus 7n into 4m whole square, which is 16m square plus 7 sevens are 49n square plus 7 fours are 28mn.
Okay.
We have not done anything different. We have just put the value of x and
Substituted
y.
the values.
X is 4m, y is 7m. Abdul Jabbar, is it clear, dear? ठीक है. Then factorize this thing. Let's come to the 11th one. Acha, before the 11th one, there is this one more identity that we left in the previous question, in the previous class. It was this one. They can ask you to obtain this identity in your exam as well. See, there's this identity which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is another identity, and there is a way that we can solve it. We can, if someone asks you to prove that this is the identity, if someone asks you to verify this identity, then you just take the right hand side, multiply everything, open the brackets, multiply everything, and you will see that your some terms will be cancelling out and you will be getting the left hand side. Okay, so let me quickly try to do this for you guys so that you can just quickly note it down, because it's no big deal. Okay, so we take the RHS. So this becomes x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus x square whatever. Okay. Now you just open the brackets. So the right hand side becomes, what does it become, Abdul Jabbar? Achha, Abdul Jabbar isn't here. What does it become, Avni?
Um,
Hmm? Yes, Avni. You just open the bracket.
So it will be x plus y plus z multiplied by x
This
square.
entire bracket, yeah. So each term you just keep multiplying with each term. So first let's multiply x with each term of this bracket. Okay,
So
tell me
it
what
will
will it
be
become?
x cube plus xy square
Hmm.
plus xz square
Yes.
plus
Is
x
it
x
plus?
square plus x square y
Minus, बच्चे minus.
minus x square y then x y z
Minus
minus
xyz minus.
um and minus z x square.
Can I write x square z? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Forget about that. X z x square. Okay, that is the first thing. Plus now the same everything with this, just multiply it with y. Y
So
multiplied with the first term, second term, third term, and so on.
hmm,
Plus
so it will plus y x square plus
y x square plus
y cube plus
y cube plus
y z square plus
y z square plus or minus.
minus um x y square
Good.
minus y square z
Hmm.
minus y x z no y
X
z
y z.
x.
Same thing. X y z also we can say no. Yes or no? Next, now multiply the z with everything. Yes or no?
So with the next term it will be zx square plus
Yeah.
x xy square plus
Not x y
z
square.
zy
Z y
square
square.
plus x z cube
Very
minus
good. Minus
minus zy zyx
x y z. Can I write x y z?
yeah
Then minus
minus y x cube
z square.
yes
We are talking about this term.
minus yeah
Minus
minus z square x
z square x. So can I write x z square?
yes
Because z square, na? So now just look, this is equal to, look, we have x square plus y, sorry, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Can I write that as it is? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. Okay. Is that okay?
yes
Now look very carefully at this. Let me, see, you have plus xy square over here and minus xy square over here.
yes
They get cancelled. Then you have
here also this one
minus x square y plus x square y.
ma'am plus y z square minus y z square
Yes. So plus yz square is where? Yeah. Plus yz square minus yz square. Next. Trying to find something. Next. Plus xz square is over here. And minus xz square is over here. Right? Then we have minus x square z over here and plus x square z over here. See, x square and z. Yes? A few more terms are left. What should I use? I don't even have any colors remaining now. Okay. So what else? What else? What else? Huh? Minus y square z over here and plus y square z over here. Everything is cancelled except for minus xyz, minus xyz, minus xyz. So tell me, what is minus a, minus a, minus a?
Minus a cube.
I'm not asking what is minus a multiplied by minus a multiplied by minus a. No. I am asking, okay, forget about minus a, minus a, minus a. Think about, if you have minus 2, minus 2, what do? You take the number line, 0, no, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, minus 2, you took your minus 2 and you stood at minus 2. Then I told you go minus 2, meaning go minus 2 units, meaning go 2 units to the minus direction, negative direction. So you went 2 units to the negative direction. What did you get? Minus 4, right? So minus a means what? What did we saw that when you have, see, they're not being multiplied. You have two things of the same sign, you are supposed to add them and put the sign which is common. So see, if you have a plus a plus a, what does this become? A cube? No, it becomes 3 times a, right? Yes or no, Avni?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a huge bracket between a plus a plus a. What did I just say? There's a huge difference between a plus a and a into a into a. There's a huge difference. And the
Yes, ma'am.
bracket makes a lot of difference. Okay. So that is why minus a minus a minus a is not minus a cube. It is minus 3a. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So minus xyz minus xyz minus xyz will be how much? Minus
3xyz.
xyz, yes. Minus xyz is 3 times. So minus 3xyz. This is your RHS.
Okay.
Sorry, LHS. Hence proved. Oh, sorry. Please kindly note this down. We started from the RHS and we proved the LHS. We still have a few questions from this exercise remaining. Inshallah, we will do this in the next class. Is that okay?